Hello, dear students. Today I will continue uh, exercise 5.1.5 and 1.6. Okay, so exercise 1.5 related to complement of sets. Complement of sets. We know complement complement of set. For that we require universal set. First of all, identify the element of universal set, and then for a particular set we can find complement of the set. Suppose universal set is set of natural number, set of natural number. Then if A is set of even natural number, then A dash means what? For finding A dash means U minus A. A dash means, we know about complement. Complement means if this is U, if this is A, then A dash is this part except A. A dash means except A, all from U. So if A is set of even natural number and our U is set of natural number, then except even, that is odd, set of odd natural number. Set of odd natural number. Okay, that means for finding complement of a set, first of all we see for the universal set, and then for a particular set complement is given by U minus A, means accept the points of U, A, all the points of U are the complement. Okay, this is our main definition and logic for finding complement of a set. Okay, so also there are basic property of complements. We know A dash union A. A dash union A means what? U. A dash intersection A dash A means what? U, A, this is A dash. So this is A, this is A, this is A. So A dash union A. A dash means this, union A means this, total U. A dash this, A is this. Intersection of both. What? Phi. Okay. U dash, what will be the U dash? U dash means accept U from U. What? 5. 5 dash u minus 5. Okay. So these are the basic property of complements also. So using these, we have to solve exercise 1.5. So very simple questions are there. One by one you have to write in your copy. Okay, this is for your practice. So exercise 1.5, first question. First question is given what? U 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, A 1 2 3 4, B 2 4 6 8, C 1 3 4 5 6. Okay, so and find the value of A dash, B dash, A union C dash, A union B dash, A dash dash, B minus C dash dash. This means suppose here given U equals to 1 2 3 4 5 9, A equals to U given U is 1 2 3 up to 9 and A equals to given 1 2 3 4 2 4 6 8 1 2 3 4 and B 2 4 6 8. Okay, so you can find very easily A dash means accept this 1 2 3 4 complement of A. What is complement of A? A dash equals to U minus A. U minus A means what? Accept A. 1 2 3 4 cancel and then from a start what? 5 6 7 8 9. This is complement. Similarly B, for finding complement of what? A union B dash. So A union B dash. So first of all you have to find A union B. A union B. A union B. 1 2 3 4 6 8. 1 2 3 4 6 8. This is union. First of all you have to find union. Okay. So 2 common, 4 common. So 1 2 3 4 6 8. Now A union B dash means what? U minus A union B means accept this element from U, you can get complement. So this is equals to what? Accept this means neglecting this from here. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4, that is 5, then 6 8 also, 6 cancel, 7 8 also cancel, 9. Okay, so this is complement to A union B. So you can find complement of remaining A dash complement A dash complement of A dash dash means A dash dash means first of all you have to find A dash. This is A dash. Now complement of this means accept this all the elements of. So 5 6 7 8 9. So 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So this is what? A. So by using complement of a set you can get result. So you have to write this all in your copy. Okay. B minus C dash is here also. B minus C dash. So B minus C dash, they are set also C. C means C what? 3 4 5 6. 3 4 5 6. 3 4 5 6. C. So B minus C means accept C from, take all the elements of B, accept C. That is 4 and 6. Accept 4 and 6. That is 2 8. 2 8. Belongs to B but not belongs to C. Belongs to B 2. There is not 2, so 2. 4 here 4. Cancel. 6 here also cancel. 8 is not here. So B minus C equal to this. Now B minus C dash means what? Union minus B minus C. Means all the elements of U except 2, 8. Except 2, 8. So 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Except 2, 8. Okay. So this by using this type of technique you can find all the complements of question 1. Okay. Now take question 2 also, finding complement. Very simple. Here given what? Universal set A B C D E F G H, A B C D E F G H, and find the complement of the following set: A B C, A dash, A B C, except A B C, all the elements from set. What will be? A B C except D E F G H, complement of it. Similarly, complement of B, C, D you can find. So write it for your practice. Okay, in your homework copy. Now take question third. Question third. Taking the set of natural numbers as universal set. For question third, our universal set is set of natural numbers. And write down complements of the following set. These are given in set builder form. You have to write set in set builder form, the complement. Okay. The first is x such that x is an even natural number. So complement except even, all the odd. So how can you write answer of this? The first set is first, third का first set is x such that x is even natural number dash complement is equals to what? X such that even except even means odd. X is an odd natural number. Natural number. Okay. So the complement of this is this. Similarly, you can find all the questions. The complement of all the questions. Second is x is odd natural number. So x complement x is even natural number. Okay. So x is a positive multiple of 3. X is a positive multiple of 3. So complement, how can you write? Third, x says that x belongs, positive means natural number. We can write belongs to natural number, and x is multiple of 3. X is not multiple of 3. Not multiple of 3. We can write like this, not multiple of 3. Not multiple of 3 means here x says that x is positive multiple of 3. Not multiple of 3. Complement. Okay. Accept this. Not multiple of 3 and positive means you can write belongs to n. Okay. Similar, fourth question, x is a prime number. So complement will be x is not a prime number and x equals to 1 also, because 1 is not prime number and x is the composite number. Except prime number means we will get composite number and also 1, because 1 is not prime number. So 1 is also there and x such that x is composite number and x equal 1 also. Similarly, fifth question, natural number divisible by 3 and 5. Whenever we take complement, just behave as negative. Here, natural number x such that complement will be what? Fifth. Natural number divisible by 3 and 5. 3 and 5. So, x is natural number not divisible by 3 or 5. And in place of and, we have to write or. for complement. So what will be the answer? X is natural number not divisible by 3 or 5. That is complement. Similarly, perfect square not a perfect square, and a perfect cube not a perfect cube, and x plus 5 equals to 8. X says that x plus 5 equals to 8. That means what? Solving, after solving, x equal to 3. That is set x equal to 3. So we have to write complement what? X equal to not 3. Natural number x equal to not 3. Because our universal set is set of natural number. So x 2x plus 5 equals to 9. Also you can solve it and write opposite of that. Whatever we get. Okay. In 10, x is greater than or equal to 7. X is less than 7. Natural number. Means x belongs to n and x is less than 7. And x says that x belongs to n and 2x plus 1 is greater than 10. So what will be the answer? One means complement. So 9 by 2, x greater than 9 by 2, so x is less than or equal to 9 by 2. Complement, other number. X is natural number such that less than. X is less than 9 by 2. So that will be the complements of all the sets. Or you have to write in set builder form. So try to write and systematically write all the answers in your copy. Okay. Now take question 4. Take question 4. Here for a particularly given what? U equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and A 2, 4, 6, 8, B 2, 3, 5, 7. Verify that A union B complement equal to A dash A complement intersection B complement. That is, these two are De Morgan law. You know, A union B dash equals to what? A dash intersection B dash. First, and also second is what? A intersection B dash equals to A dash union B dash. We know these two relations are known as De Morgan's law. We can prove it, but for a particular questions. So here in question 4, given U equals to 1 to 9 and A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8. A equals to 2, 4, 6, 8 and B equals to 2, 3, 5, 7. So we can get separately A dash, B dash. Also we can find A union B, then A union B dash and find all the values. First find A dash, then find A B dash, and then take intersection of these two. A dash intersection B dash, right hand side and left hand side. If both are same, then verify. Okay, so here U is what? U 1, 2 up to 9. A dash equals to what? A is given what? 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. So accept 2, 4, 6, 8. A dash equals to what? A dash 2, 4, 6, 8. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. And B dash, B is what? 2, 3, 5, 7. So accept 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. So 1, 4, 6, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 5, 7. Here not 2, 3, 5, 7. So A dash B dash is this. Now, and union of these two. We have to write this. So A dash intersection B dash intersection of this common element are there. Which are common element here? 1 and 9. 1 and 9. Also we can find union of this A and B. Union of A and B, what? 2, 4, 6 and 2, 3, 5, 7. A union B, 2, 3, what will be the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Union for given A and B, you can find union this. So complement will be what? Complement of this, except this, all the elements 1 and 9. So we see that both are equal. This and these are equal. Verified. Okay, so one by one you have to find value of A dash, B dash, and A union B dash, left hand side, right hand side. Both are same. This is right hand side and this is left hand side. So we can prove by finding particularly all the values. Similarly here find A dash union B dash and also A intersection B. First find and then complement left hand side, right hand side also will be equal. These two rules are verified. For question what? 4. Okay, this rule are called De Morgan's law. We know also. Okay, now 5. Question 5. Okay. Question 5 is what? Draw appropriate Venn diagram of for each of the following. A union B dash. Here also we see A union B dash equals to A dash intersection B dash, we know. So first question is what? A union B dash. Find this. Okay, and second what? A dash intersection B dash. This is second, this is first. And also A intersection B. A intersection B dash. And also A dash union B dash. These 4 values we have to, for these 4 values we have to draw Venn diagram. For first, how can you draw? This is U. Okay. Union. This is A. This is B. Suppose this is A. This is B. Okay. A union B. Complete. So union B dash means what? Accept this. This portion. This portion are what? A union B dash complement. A union B dash complement. Union B dash complement. Because A union B is this. Complete. This total complete A union B. A union B. Complement of this, accept this. So this part denote this. Now A dash B dash intersection. So how can we represent A dash intersection B dash? A dash means which part? A dash means union A, B. Okay, this is A, this is B. A dash means what? Accept A, all the part. This complete part is what? A dash. Accept A. And accept B. Accept B. This complete part. Except B. This is dashes. This type of dashes. What? B dash. So, intersection of A dash and B dash. Complete part. This except this. Except this also complete part. Then the remaining part, what? Same. Complete this intersection of that part. Okay. So both are equal. So this diagram very clear from this four diagrams. See, for this first diagram, okay, and for this second diagram, and for this third diagram, and you can see also fourth diagram. We see that these two are equal, first two are equal, and also second two are equal. So these are the Venn diagram for question 5th. Okay. Now last question 6. Let U be the set of all triangles of in a plane. If A is the set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree, what is A dash? Means A set of all triangles having at least one angle different from at least. Complement of at least is all. At least. Complement of at least is all. Okay. So, at least one angle different from 60. So, all angles are 60. Negatively. Negatively, all angles are 60. That is, A dash will be set of all equilateral triangle. Negatively, all. Complement of at least means all negative. All negatively. Negatively means differ from 60. Negative means 60. All angles are 60. That is, A dash is set of all equilateral triangles. Okay. Question 7, you can fill. A union A dash. Just we have seen before. A union A dash means U, and phi dash means union. Universal set. Universal set intersection A means A. A and A dash are disjoint. So phi. And U dash means phi. The phi intersection A means phi. So phi. Okay. So very simple exercise. 1.5. You have to solve all logically in your copy. Okay. Also you have to send me this. You can take it as a question for your attender also. Now I will solve 1.6. Okay. Exercise. Okay. So for 1.6 exercise, we have to first derive 2-3 formula, very important formula. Okay. First formula is here. Consider on this diagram. Suppose we have like this, A and B are two sets. Okay, set A, set B. This is universal set. Venn diagram is this. Now, this portion is A intersection B. This is A intersection B. Okay, and this is This part is what? A minus B. This is A minus B. A minus B. A, but not B. And this is what? B minus A. Okay. So from here we can see that first of all, our first formula is for union of A and B. We see that A union B, that is complete. This complete part is A union B. But here A intersection B involve two times. So A union B equals to, set A union B, A union B, two times involve this. So A union B equals to minus 1 times A intersection B, because this involved two times. So from here we can get a formula: number of elements in this equals to number of elements in this, plus whenever we take number of elements, then this union gives as a plus sign. Okay. And number of elements in B minus number of elements in A intersection B. So first formula is N A union B equals to NA plus NB minus NA intersection B. One time subtraction. Okay, one time. This is formula. First formula. And second, A union B means, all of A and B. NA means number of elements in A. NB means number of elements in B. And NA intersection B, common element. Okay, now, second important formula is that from here we see that A equals to A minus B, that is this and this, union A intersection B. A minus A equals to this part, union this part. That is number of element in A equals to number of element A minus B plus number of element in A intersection B. For both, A minus B means having A not B. Okay, so this is formula when these two are disjoint, they are separated. Disjoint, A minus B, this part, A intersection B, this part. So they are separated. That is disjoint. When disjoint, then we can write like this, because number of element is this, number of element of this, and A union B also minus, but there is no common in between these two. So we can write like this. Similarly, we can write B equals to B minus A, because B minus A and A intersection B. So formula is also NB equals to and B minus A, and B minus A plus N A intersection B. So this formula are very, very important for solving questions. Okay, practical questions. Clear? A union B gives for whole numbers under consideration. Okay, by using this formula, we will try to solve some problem from exercise 1.6. Okay. First question, nx, if x and y are two sets such that nx 17, ny 23 and x y union y equals to 38, then find nx intersection y. In place of x and y, you can take AB, can consider. So this will be the formula, and put the value in three places, and you can get the value of x intersection y. Okay, in place of A. So first question, what? N x union y equals to nx equals to ny minus n x intersection y. So we have to find n x intersection y. Here 17, 23 and 38. This is 38, 17, 28 minus n x intersection y. This is value. By using this formula, we can get value x union A 38, 17, 23. This is equals to, we have to find intersection. So transfer to left hand side, x intersection y equals to what? 17 and 8, 45 minus 38, 7. So n x A intersection x intersection y is equals to what? 7. So 1.6. Sorry, here 23. Here 23. Here 23. 23. So 40. 40 minus 2. 2 is the answer. And x intersection y. Okay. Similar question is second. Second question is similar. X and y are two sets such that x union y has 18. Means this is 18. And x 8, y 15. 8 and 15. Same questions. Only here 18. Question 2 is same. And what? 8 and 15. 8 and 15. So this is equals to what? 5 is the answer. Okay, 5 is the answer. Similar question. 3, in a group of 400 people. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, 200 can speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? Very simple. In place of, suppose x, h denote the, h or x denote the number of people can speak Hindi and English for E. So here group of 400 people, that is union value. That is union value. Okay. So third question you can also solve by using this formula. Which? First formula. If this is A for Hindi, B for English, then use this formula. Here what? Here will be 400 equals to 250, 200. Both means this. 250, 200. Here 400. So 400 equals to 250 plus 200 minus both Hindi and English. You can get the result by that formula. What? and H intersection E equals to what? This 450 minus 400 is equals to 50. 50 is the answer. Simple. Okay. Now fourth question is, if S and T two sets such that S 21, T 32 and S intersection T has 11 elements, and we will how many elements does S union T? We have to find value of this S T. Suppose this is S, this is T, then this plus this minus this means here what? 21, 32 minus 11 means 21 plus 32 minus 11. Okay, so that's will be 21 means 10, 42. 42. So answer will be what? 42. Simple, using this formula. Okay, so all the questions up to 4 are solved by using first formula. Clear? Now here, question 5. X and Y are two sets such that X 40, X union 6, Y 60 and X intersection Y 10. How many elements does Y? Here also simple, 40, 60, 40, 10. Here 60, 40 and of Y minus 10. These are given. है ना? What? 60, so 40 minus 10 NY. So NY equals to what? We can find NY equals to transfer this to 60, 10, 70, 70 minus 40, 30. So answer is 30. Answer is 30. Question 3. Very simple by using this formula. Okay. Now question 6. In a group of 70 pupils, that is union. That is what is given? Union 70. And 31 like coffee, 52 like tea. Okay. And each person likes at least one or two drinks. At least one or two drinks. How many people like both coffee and tea? Both. That is, we have to find this. So these three are given. So put the value and you can solve it. What value are there? 70, 37, 52. Here 70, 37, 52. Now we have to find the value of this. Coffee and tea. Suppose. Then we can get 37. So N coffee intersection T is equals to what? 9. 89 minus 70. What? 90. So answer is 90. Simple by using this formula. In a group of people, that means union. Here 7 is also same questions. In a group of 65 people, that is union. And 40 cricket, 10 both cricket, tennis. So how many like tennis? How many like tennis? And also how many like tennis only, not cricket? Okay, here cricket and tennis. Here cricket and tennis. So for this question we will use this formula also. So first of all, here we are given what? Group of 65 people, that is union. Here cricket and tennis. So this is cricket, this is tennis. Union. So N of this using formula NC plus NT minus NC intersection T. So in a group of 65 people, that is say this is 65 equals NC cricket 40, 10 both cricket teams. Cricket 40 and 10 both. 10 both like and 40 cricket and how many tennis? So we can find find NT, like tennis, number of like people like tennis. This is equals to what? 65 minus 40 plus 10 equals to what? 40 minus, so 25, 35. 35. 75 minus 40, 35. So NT equals to 35. Okay. NT equals to 35, like tennis. And also we have to find the value of how many like tennis only, not cricket. Tennis only, not cricket. Means tennis, not cricket. So we have to find NT minus C. Tennis only, not cricket. So we have to find NT minus C. So we can use this formula. If A denote C, if this denote C, suppose A means C and B means tennis, then by using this formula we can write N B means the T equal N T minus C plus N C intersection T. So this formula we can use, okay, for finding this N T minus C. Here this is suppose T, this is C, T minus C, C intersection T, C minus T. So T minus, by using this formula we can find NT minus C. So NT minus C equals to what? NT is 35. NT minus C we have to find, and NT intersection C intersection T, what? 10. So NT minus C equals to what? 35 minus 10 equals to 25. So using this formula we can get only T, not C, like tennis but not cricket. So 25. Okay, 25 is the answer. Clear? Now question 8. Question 8. Question 8. What is question 8? In a committee, 50 people speak French, 20 Spanish, 10 both Spanish and French. How many speak at least one of these two languages? At least one of these two languages means union. At least means union. So here Spanish and English, French and French. Suppose S denote the set of all people who speak French. S for Spanish and F for French. Then S union, this is equals to what? NS plus NF minus N S intersection F. By using this formula we can get the result. Union means at least. So we have to find what? How many speak at least one of these two languages. So we have to find this. That is N S union F equals to, here NS given 20, NF 50, and both 10. So 70 minus is 60. 60 is the answer. Okay, 60. So very simple exercise. Remember that two formula or this diagram. Okay, by using that you can solve this type of questions. Okay, so today I have completed two exercises. and you have to write all the solution of all the questions from both exercise and reply to me for your attendance. Okay.